quick rundown on the Garden of Eating. These are the grapes, grapevine that is, coming straight from this. Pretty cool grapes. This is the cotton. I gotta transplant this cotton into the ground. I got one growing right here, but I'm gonna be selling seeds and stuff like that soon. But this is just a quick rundown. These are two orange trees. Got okra growing right here. Okra. And cucumbers. I just built this. These cucumbers are going crazy. See if I can find a cucumber there. Should be another one. Oh, this is crazy. Cucumbers and okra. Whoa. Big old okra sitting up in there. Gotta take that down. Oh, there we go. Right there in front of me. Pretty huge. Gigantic look like. And right this way, got the banana trees. Corn. My corn didn't do too good. It was too hot. But I got more okra growing everywhere. It's a tomato plant back there. Oh yeah, I need to get some off. This is carrots. More okra. My corn didn't do too good. Something is eating my tomato. I believe it's a freaking possum or something. Crazy. And there's another grapevine. Got the basil growing. With some water. My pepper plants.